Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to register an account with Aurum. So you will either have a link from me, or you've clicked on one from somewhere, or you will have a link from someone who has referred you to Aurum. And all you're going to do is obviously click on that link or copy and paste it into your browser. And you will come to this page. Once at this page, you are going to enter your email and your phone number and select your country, and then just check you have the name at the bottom of the person that referred you. You're then going to click next. You're then going to enter your name, a nickname that you wish to choose, your country, your date of birth. Okay, so once you've entered all your details, just click next. And you'll have a code sent to your inbox, and you just need to enter that code. So simply check your email for the code, enter the code, and click submit. The account was created successfully. All you need to do now is enter your details and log into your account. So I hope this video helps you get registered with Aurum, and you can start using this amazing ecosystem to start building your financial portfolio. Do look out for the next video.